1 year after a multi-million-dollar judgment against the city for a flawed police shooting, APD is in the hot seat again.
Defending itself in court over more allegations of excessive force in another police shooting that ended in death. Christopher Torres was killed in his backyard in 2011 after police tried to arrest him for a road rage incident that happened weeks before.
Today, his wrongful death civil trial started, and his family claims the officer who shot him should never have been hired in the first place. News 13's Chris McKee was at today's hearing. He is live at District Court with more. Chris?
Yeah, Dean, the Torres family attorneys attacked APD's change in hiring standards in the mid-2000s today and claimed the department poorly trained its own officers. Now, the Torres family claims that is what ultimately led to Christopher Torres' death.
Attorneys for the family of Christopher Torres say the 27-year-old's death came not only from APD gunfire, but also by negligent decisions made at the top.
People were being pressured to let in people that would have been rejected under the old policies.
The Torres family claims APD should have never hired Officer CJ Brown, who fired 3 shots in Christopher Torres' back while he was in his backyard. Torres suffered from schizophrenia. Police went to his home in plain clothes in an unmarked car to arrest him for a road rage incident. Torres' family attorneys played police radio audio recordings from the day of the shooting in court. They say it shows Christopher is yelling, confused by who the officers were. Torres' attorneys say Officer Brown, who APD didn't hire previously because of credit issues, was only accepted into the department when they lowered standards. She says that happened under Chief Ray Schultz and Mayor Marty Chavez's administration, when they pushed to hire 100 more officers, bringing ranks to 1,100. The Torres family brought in a former APD lieutenant, Steve Tate, today to testify to that.
Seating marginal candidates that had just barely made it through the process, as opposed to trying to identify from those that had made it through what the top tier would be.
The city argued against that.
What is your recollection about whether any cadet failed to meet the necessary state standards, but yet still became a certified law enforcement officer?
There was never.
Defense attorneys for the city of Albuquerque haven't said much in this case so far because they didn't even present an opening statement here today. This is not a jury trial, so ultimately it will be up to the judge to rule which way this case will go, and this case should wrap up by the end of the week. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you. The judge in this case is Shannon Bacon, who also presided over Kenneth Ellis's wrongful death suit. She ruled the shooting of the Iraq war vet was unnecessary. A jury awarded Ellis's family $10 million. The city settled for $8 million.